we are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and sometimes confusing words and some of the most mispronounced ones in English too, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? Well, that's the whole point. In the UK, in British English, this is said as lever or lever. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as lever, lever, with that emphasis also on the first syllable, lever, in American English, or lever in British English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.